Guys, welcome to my channel where we explore the fascinating world of English grammar. Today, we're going to discuss one of the most important grammar rules, subject-verb agreement. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting out, understanding subject-verb agreement is essential for clear and effective communication in the workplace. Number 1. What is subject-verb agreement? Subject-verb agreement is a fundamental rule in English grammar that states the subject and verb in a sentence must agree in number. This means that if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular, and the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. Number 2. Example of subject-verb agreement. Let's take a look at some example to illustrate this rule. The cat, singular subject, is sleeping on the couch. The cat, plural subject, are chasing each other in the garden. The team,